everyone, today we're going to make a tic-tac-toe board. And how to do this is we'll need pine cones, some rocks, and some sticks. To do this, we need to put them down on a flat surface, like that. And set them down like any ordinary tic-tac-toe board that you would see. And now we're ready to play.
How do we play?
How we play is how to make the X's. You make the X's out of the pine cones so that they look like X's. You put one on top of the other, and as you can see, it makes one.
Should we play around?
Sure.
Okay, you go first.
This is a little tick. I call for the O's. All right, Maggie's the X's. Oh, I want an X. All right, where are you gonna go? It's your turn. You got two. I was going and now you take one of them on the side. Maggie, stop! Now we take one on the side of your tic-tac-toe thing. When whoever wins gets to take one stick and put it across like you would. Hey, Mom. Thanks for watching this.
Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a
row. Hey, Mom.